Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get X-ray mode on Minecraft. If you want to make mining easier or find ores faster in Minecraft, the X-ray mode is one of the most popular tools. Here's a simple walkthrough on how to install it and get it running without confusion. Start by installing Fabric, which is the mod loader the X-ray mod works with. Go to the Fabric website and download the installer from your system. Open the installer and install Fabric from this same Minecraft version you play on. And once it's installed, you're ready for the next step. Now, go to the X-ray mod page and scroll until you see the different download options. You'll see versions like X-ray Forge, X-ray, and then X-ray Fabric. Choose X-ray Fabric and download the file. Now, place the mod inside your Minecraft mods folder. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard and in the box type app data, then press enter. Now open the Minecraft folder and look for a folder called mods. Take the X-ray mode file you downloaded, drag it and drop it into your mods folder, and that's all you need to do. No extra installation steps. Now launch the game, open it, and next play the play button. Now select Fabric version you installed earlier, then click play, and Minecraft will now load with Fabric plus the X-ray mod enabled. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.